Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. In this guide, I'll explain how to share your Wi-Fi password quickly and securely. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Now let's get started.